sa dumaraming bilang ng kabataang na biktima ng cyber harassment nitong pandemya.
Ayon sa PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, halos 300 sari-saring cybercrime complaints ang kanilang natatanggap.
In today's digital world, our screens connect us more than ever before, but they can also become a place where harm begins. Cyberbullying often hides behind anonymity, turning simple message into powerful weapons. Many victims suffer in silence, feeling isolated, embarrassed, or afraid to speak up, even as the hurtful word follow them. What people sometimes forget is that every comment, every post, and every share has a real impact. Behind every screen is a real person with a real feelings. A single message meant as a joke can deeply scare someone who's already struggling. Cyberbullying doesn't just damage confidence, it can affect mental health, school performance, and even personal safety.
Nak, halika muna dito.
Opo, ma'am.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Bakit bumaba ang grades mo?
Ma, ginawa ko naman po ang lahat.
Kausapin mo ang papa mo.
Ano nangyari dito?
Kausapin mo anak mo.
Ano nangyari dito?
Ang grades ko po.
Ano ba nangyari sa iyo? Ginawa naman ng lahat. Pagod, sikap. Ayusin ang pag-aaral mo.
Umayos ka!
But together, we can stop the cycle. It starts with kindness, awareness, and the courage to speak up when something isn't right. Support your friends, report abusive behavior, and choose empathy over hate. The internet can be a safer place for everyone if we all decide to make it one.